spacious balcony and airy balcony attached to the living room. Both are spacious enough and have a window that will also give you a good. Is the second master bedroom, which has equally. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Purva and we are here at Shriji Skyrise by Shriji Sharan Group of Companies. Here I am standing at the actual location and this is the tower of Shriji Skyrise. Located in Kandivali West, right in front of SV Road. As you can see, this is the SV Road and the neighborhood around. It is located opposite to the fire station of Kandivali. We will definitely go to the sample flat tour, but before it, let us know what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects main buyers directly to the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you put an inquiry, your number will be shared with various brokers, resulting in multiple phone calls. Well, Housey is first real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developers. So book your dream home today with the developers through Housey. Moving towards the basic details of the project, this land parcel is spread across 0.75 acres. This has one tower which has G plus 58 stories that consists of 2 BHK and 3 BHK plus Jewelry is also available. So this project consists of 30 plus modern amenities including swimming pool, clubhouse, kids play area, jacuzzi, banquet hall and an emergency room with all the medical facilities. Let us know about the connect of this project. This project locates right opposite the Kandivali fire station. It is bang on SV Road. Kandivali station is 2-minute walking distance. Whereas Western Express Highway, it's a 10-minute drive. Link Road, it's 5 to 7-minute drive, and Kandivali Metro Station, it's 5 minutes from here. So these were the basic details and the connect of Shriji Skyrise by Shriji Sharan Group of Companies. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of 2 BHK and 3 BHK of this apartment. We are here at the sample flat tour of Shriji Skyrise by Shriji Sharan Group of Companies. Let's move to the sample flat tour of 2 BHK apartment that is spread across the square feet of 781 carpet area. Entering, we have a spacious living room attached to the dining room over here and a spacious balcony and airy balcony attached to the living room. It's spacious enough to keep all your decors and all your sofas that you need. The balcony is quite spacious and you have a great view of all the neighborhood around. The living room is attached to the dining area which is just in front of the kitchen. You can keep your dining table over here, sit and have a chat with the family, friends and whoever you need. Moving to the kitchen, we have two slabs that are right in front of each other. Both are spacious enough and have a window that will also give you a good view of the neighborhood. The kitchen is spacious enough to design your own self-made cabinets as you want it. It has so much space that you can fit yourselves in the kitchen and your friends and family can cook with you. We have space on both sides of this slab. You can keep your washing machine or your refrigerator or your dishwasher, whatever you need. Let's move towards the bedrooms. Both the bedrooms on this apartment are master bedrooms, and before the bedroom we have a common washroom which is a powder room. So if guests are there, there's no invading in privacy. Let's move to the bedrooms. This is the first master bedrooms, which is spacious and have such big windows. You will get a great look at your neighbors, all the amenities outside and everything in the neighborhood. This bedroom has an attached washroom which is big enough if you want to install any cabinets in the washroom also. Now let us have a look at the second master bedroom, but before that, let us know what Housey gives you. We give you a sample flat tour, we give you 360-degree view of all the locations, we'll give you the pros and cons of the locations, we also give you the full pricing including the EMI and down payment, and we also give you actual location tours with Housey. So let's move to the second master bedroom of this 2 BHK apartment. This is the second master bedroom which has equally bigger windows as the first one, which has such big windows that you will get a full view of your whole neighborhood and everything you want to keep a watch on. The room is big enough to keep your king size or queen size bed including your cabinets. It has an attached washroom. This attached washroom is the same size as the first bedroom, so if you want to install any cabinets in the washroom, you can do so. So this was the sample flat tour of the 2 BHK apartment of Shriji Skyrise by Shriji Sharan Group of Companies. So if you want to book your own site visit, you can simply register at housey.com, and if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can click on the link mentioned below in the description. But before going, do not forget to subscribe on our channel for all the updates and details. Till then, bye bye, take care. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Shriji Skyrise, located in Kandivali West by Shriji Sharan Group of Company.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.